Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something different for you guys, so I thought I would unbox a new book I bought online just to see how this whole unboxing experience on the video looks like. So this is not usual for me, so let's give this a go. So this is the package that I've got from Infi. It's an online bookstore, so let's unbox. And you might have known by the title, but let's see what book I bought. So first is the actual book itself. Wow, the cover looks different from the one I saw on the site, but it's good. So this is the book. Oh wow, the book comes with a CD as well. So this is the CD. It looks like an audio CD, not even DVD. So maybe the book was published many years ago, so it is following that pattern. But it's a good touch. I like it. For the price that book is sold on, this is delivering way more than I expected. So a CD as well, and the book. The book is approximately 196 pages long. So really excited to read this book. By the way, the book is called The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. I first read his book Who Will Cry When You Die, and within that book, this particular book kept getting mentioned a lot of times. So I was really excited to check this out, and I am actually excited to read this. So I'll be sharing my experience with you guys about reading this book. And for that, first subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, I guess. So this was the book. Let's see what more we get. Okay, this is a bookmark by Envy. So that's a good touch. We get a bookmark as well. And then there's the receipt. So three things: the book itself, a CD with the book, a bookmark, and receipts, and a bag if you want to use it. So really good touch. For the price I bought the book, and I think there were a lot of things included in this book, so really excited to read this book. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys with a review of this book.